This is kind of off the cuff, and didn't plan on really putting a video together today, but what's happening in New Jersey is really so exceptional that I think it's worth a few minutes of documenting this. You're looking at weather.unisys.com, and you're looking at a monster which is beginning to develop off the coast of the eastern seaboard. It's probably at this point just north of Virginia Beach. You also see a front here, and you're going to be learning more about this in the next unit. The front that's here is called a coastal front. The ocean is still 60 degrees right off the coast of New Jersey, and frankly it's 70 degrees out here by the Gulf Stream. So for a snowstorm to occur in New Jersey at the end of October, especially anywhere near the coast, anywhere east of 287, is really amazing. It doesn't happen often. I can remember back in 1979, I was around, and on October 10, we had 3 inches of snow in southern Passaic and in northern Essex County. However, that was from a storm that stayed extremely weak, and there was just enough cold air, and there was absolutely no ocean influence. This one's going to have some ocean influence, but there's cold air anyway, and it's really impressive how cold the air is. Let's take a look at the latest radar and see what's happening. As you look at this, you can see that precipitation has not only spread across New Jersey, but the blues indicate snow. And you can see a infiltration or a conversion of rain to snow as you look at it. Let me scroll in to look at the northeast closer. So if you look at this, and I'll turn on the animation. As you look at this, you can see there's a gradual migration of rain to snow across North Jersey, and it looks like it's actually just about reached the Hudson River, so that New York City may start seeing snowflakes pretty soon. Now, with temperatures above freezing, with temperatures recently fairly mild, it's going to take quite a bit of snow in order for accumulations to occur. But in Sussex County, northwest Jersey, I know that they're already on notice for 1 to 2 inches per hour. I mean, this is midwinter kind of stuff. And it could end up being a 1 to 2 foot storm in northwest Jersey and in northern interior Jersey. So people in Haledon might end up with serious accumulations. West Milford for sure are going to get serious accumulations, especially on the higher elevations. You know, people living 700, 800, 900 feet up, or even over 1,000 feet. I'm amazed to see that it looks like Philadelphia is right on the rain-snow line now, and it's not far from D.C., which, again, it's October. So what I'd encourage you to do is visit these sites, watch this stuff. I'm going to bring up the enhanced satellite. This is probably going to be amazing, and I'm right, it is. Let me bring up, I think there's a loop here. I have to get myself out of the way. Yep, 12 hour. And I want to just point out one thing here. I think what we're going to see is the pool of cold air that has built its way into the eastern seaboard. We should be seeing, yep, we're beginning to see it. I'm beginning to see it. Follow this. Follow this train. Cold air coming down. And the U-turn of a trough that is bringing in Arctic air from Canada, or further north. Interestingly, also, this is the remnants of the hurricane that was down here, and what has actually happened is the majority of that moisture has drifted across Florida. We got clobbered last night with a lot of rain, but what I want to point out is some of that moisture is being pulled northward, right up the eastern seaboard, and that's going to enhance the precipitation later on today. So what you have is tropical moisture with Arctic cold air. It's really going to make for an unprecedented circumstance. I think what's going to be really interesting is around 8 o'clock tonight, there probably will be some severe thunderstorms in addition to everything else. And if that's in the form of snow where you are, it could mean 3 to 4 inches per hour of accumulation of snow. So have fun with that. Anyway, Professor Sills signing out.